Hey guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make group chat on Snapchat. Snapchat allows you to create group chat with up to one friend and share the moment together. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to the camera screen and here tap on chat icon at left bottom of your screen. To start creating a group chat, tap on new message icon in right bottom of your screen and tap new group. Now choose users who you want to include in your group chat. Don't forget to name your group. Then tap on chat with group and start chatting. So this was the process by which you can make group chat on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.